Welcome back to Origami Videos. Let's make this Christmas tree together. All you're gonna need is a square piece of paper and we will fold it on 3 parts. So lift it up and make the letter S out of it, so that we have 3 equal parts of the paper. And once you have it, just pinch it together, bring it down, and now fold the sides to this. So we'll fold this outside line to this line that we marked. And do the same with the other side to the marked line. And now close it together and we'll fold it in half on this line. And press it down. Now we will open this last step and fold our paper in half. Open this step and fold the upper half of the paper in half. Like this. Now we will open it, turn it around, and we'll bring this line of the paper up to this line. So lift it upwards and fold it. Now we will open it and we'll fold the bottom part of the paper. So fold this one in half. Open it, turn your paper around, and we'll fold this part of the paper. So bring this line up to the middle, like this. And now we'll also bring this line up to this one, like this. And now let's start with folding the shape of our Christmas tree. We'll open this part and we'll fold the line right here. So we'll make it from this corner where they meet to the middle line of the paper. So from the middle and from the corner, and press it down. And do the exact same on the other side. So from this part to the middle and press it down. Now we'll bring this part up like this. And we'll make a line here. So we won't take it from the middle, but somewhere in between. So we'll bring this line and align it with the bottom. So just make sure that the line is aligned and press it down. Open it and do the same on the other side. So align this line with this bottom line. And open it. Now we will make a line from here where we have a crease to the line right here, so to this corner. Like this. And as you see, this part is opening, and we will press the middle down like this. And the same on the other side. So from here, this crease to this line right here. And once you have it, press it down like this. Now we'll bring this line of the paper and lift it up like this. And again, we will align this line of the paper with this bottom line here. So do this on one side, press it down really firmly, and on the other side. And press it down. Now we will open these parts and we will fold our paper on the line right here, so where we made the crease, and make sure that the bottom line stays aligned. And as you can see, we have again pocket here that it's opening, and just once the bottom line is aligned, press this part of the paper downwards. And do the same on the other side, so from this crease, fold it downwards and make sure that the bottom line stays aligned. And press it down. And now, if we turn it around, we have our Christmas tree. We will just fold it again in half, so that our tree will have a curve. Like this. And you've made your origami Christmas tree. If you like videos like this, please make sure to click the subscribe button.